heaven and hell decide.
She's like, come on, keep singing.
I know.
What? Oh, okay. Oh, hell no. Come on.
Where's your one?
I whisper over there. You're surrounded.
All over her face. Like, all over me.
Oop. Oop. The iPod's gonna like rape your guitar.
Oh no.
I get it. Sorry, Natalie, you weren't part of this. You know she's gonna sound really staticky, right?
Oh god.
In your eye.
Like yesterday.
In your guitar.
What?
I was recording.
Whatever.